Hello, everyone. Welcome back to SN English Practice. Are you ready to improve your English vocabulary? In today's lesson, we're going to learn 30 useful English words that start with the letter D. I'll explain each word with a simple meaning dot and an easy example sentence. So grab your notebook and let's get started. Deal. Meaning.
Deal means to handle a situation or make an agreement.
Example.
She knows how to deal with difficult customers.
Daily use sentence.
Learn to deal with challenges without losing confidence.
Decide. Meaning.
Decide means to make a choice after thinking carefully.
Example.
They decided to move to another city.
Daily use sentence.
Take your time before you decide.
Declare. Meaning.
Declare means to announce something officially.
Example.
The company declared the final results yesterday.
Daily use sentence.
You must declare all the correct information on the form.
Deep. Meaning.
Deep means far down from the surface.
Example.
The river is too deep to cross.
Daily use sentence.
Take a deep breath before your presentation.
Defend. Meaning.
Defend means to protect someone or something.
Example.
The lawyer defended his client confidently.
Daily use sentence.
Everyone should know how to defend their rights.
Delay. Meaning.
Make something happen later than planned.
Example.
The flight was delayed due to heavy fog.
Daily use sentence.
Don't delay important work until tomorrow.
Deliver. Meaning.
Bring something to a person or place.
Example.
The courier delivered the package safely.
Daily use sentence.
Please deliver this letter before noon.
Demand. Meaning.
Demand means a strong request or need for something.
Example.
There is a high demand for skilled workers.
Daily use sentence.
Customers demand good, quality products.
Depend. Meaning.
Depend means to rely on someone or something.
Example.
Success depends on consistent effort.
Daily use sentence.
Don't depend on luck, depend on your hard work.
Describe. Meaning.
Explain someone or something in words.
Example.
She described the incident in detail.
Daily use sentence.
Can you describe your dream job?
Design. Meaning.
Design means to plan or create something.
Example.
She designed a beautiful website for her client.
Daily use sentence.
I want to design my own study timetable.
Desire. Meaning.
Desire means a strong wish to have or achieve something.
Example.
He has a strong desire to become a pilot.
Daily use sentence.
Success begins with a strong desire to learn.
Determine. Meaning.
Determine means to decide something firmly.
Example.
The committee will determine the final winner tomorrow.
Daily use sentence.
Only you can determine your future.
Develop. Meaning.
Develop means to grow or improve over time.
Example.
Children develop new skills through practice.
Daily use sentence.
Reading daily helps you develop your vocabulary.
Devote. Meaning.
Give your time or energy completely.
Example.
She devoted her life to helping poor children.
Daily use sentence.
You should devote at least 1 hour a day to English.
Direct. Meaning.
Guide, control, or show the way.
Example.
The manager directed the team successfully.
Daily use sentence.
Could you direct me to the nearest bus stop?
Discover. Meaning.
Find something for the
Example.
first time. Scientists discovered a new species in the forest.
Daily use sentence.
You'll discover new ideas by reading books.
Discuss. Meaning.
Talk about something in detail.
Example.
They discussed the project during the meeting.
Daily use sentence.
Let's discuss your study plan after class.
Distance. Meaning.
Space between two places.
Example.
The distance between the two cities is about 200 kilometers.
Daily use sentence.
We walked a long distance this morning.
Distract. Meaning.
Take someone's attention away from something.
Example.
The loud music distracted the students.
Daily use sentence.
Don't let your phone distract you while studying.
Distinguish. Meaning.
Recognize the difference between two or more things.
Example.
It's difficult to distinguish between the twin brothers.
Daily use sentence.
A good teacher can distinguish each student's strengths.
Discipline. Meaning.
Self-control and following rules.
Example.
Discipline is the key to long-term success.
Daily use sentence.
Maintain discipline if you want to achieve your goals.
Disaster. Meaning.
Sudden event that causes great damage or loss.
Example.
The earthquake was a major natural disaster.
Daily use sentence.
Good planning can help reduce the effects of a disaster.
Doubt. Meaning.
Feeling of uncertainty.
Example.
I have no doubt that she will succeed.
Daily use sentence.
Never doubt your ability to learn English.
Domestic. Meaning.
Related to the home or one's own country.
Example.
The airline operates domestic flights.
Daily use sentence.
She manages all the domestic responsibilities efficiently.
Durable. Meaning.
Strong enough to last for a long time.
Example.
This backpack is made from durable material.
Daily use sentence.
Buy durable products to save money in the long run.
Dynamic. Meaning,
Energetic, active, and full of new ideas.
example,
She's a dynamic leader who inspires everyone.
Daily use sentence.
Our new English teacher has a very dynamic teaching style.
delight. Meaning,
Great happiness or pleasure.
example,
The children shouted with delight after winning the match.
Daily use sentence.
It was a delight to meet you.
destination. Meaning,
The place where someone is going.
example,
Paris was our final destination.
Daily use sentence.
Always check your destination before booking a ticket.
detect. Meaning,
Discover or notice something.
example,
The machine can detect harmful gases.
Daily use sentence.
The doctor detected the illness at an early stage.
fantastic. Practice these words with your friends and family and try to use them in your daily conversations. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SN English Practice. See you in the next lesson.